In the second table in this handout, information is given to you guys that there are 20 working days per month right here. So now I'm going to fill out row 1 of this third table in handout with 20 for all of the months. So this first row, all it's indicating is how many working days in a month are there. And for every month, that's 20. The next step, you are to calculate the production hours per worker or number of hours any given worker in a given month. You're given information in the handout in table 2 that productive hours per worker day is 7.25 right here. And there are 20 days in the month as we saw in the earlier step. So you can multiply 20 hours per month and 7.25 hours per worker day and 7.25 hours per worker per day to get the productive hours per worker in the second row. So that's 20 multiplied by 7.25 in the second row. And that is around 145. I'm going to fill out 145 for every single month, because this number does not change for any of the months. Every single month, the number of productive hours per worker is 145. Now step 3. Over here, you have to calculate how many units each worker can manufacture in that given month. It is once again provided to you in the table that each worker produces 1 unit in 0.5 hours right here. So to calculate the number of units each laborer can manufacture in the 145 hours that we calculated previously, the math is 145 divided by 0.15. And that should give you 966.7. So what this is saying is each worker can make 966.7 units in any given month. I'm going to fill out the rest of the months with the same information. On the last step for this particular table, you have to calculate how much each worker is paid per month. In table 2, you're given that each worker works for 20 days in the month. Each day they're paid for 8 hours, and they're paid $8 per hour. It's given to you over here. So you multiply those three numbers to get the cost per worker. So 20 working days per month multiplied by 8 straight hours per day multiplied by $8. It should give you $1,280 is the salary that a worker takes per month. That remains the same for every month. I'm just filling out that same information for every month.